Does posting YouTube videos every day help your channel grow faster? Well, before I answer that question, I need to put something out there and make it very clear that I am in no way, shape, or form any kind of YouTube expert, okay? I'm just a regular guy who started posting on YouTube trying to figure it out, right, as I go, okay? So whatever I tell you in this video, take it with a grain of salt, right? All I can tell you is what I know based off of my tiny bitty experience, okay? Now, common sense would dictate, right, would tell you that obviously, you would think obviously, right, the more you post, the quicker your channel would grow, right? But then at the same time, I have heard people who are way more experienced than me, or I've heard it mentioned that sometimes posting too much on your channel could hurt your channel. I don't know, like I just that from my personal experience, I would tend to disagree with that. But then at the same time, it makes sense why people would wonder why, if posting multiple times, like if posting every single day helps your channel grow faster, because, right? I mean, I till today, I still wonder that, but I just stick to what has been working for me, despite the contrary that I might have seen, right? I have seen, like, I'm showing you this is my channel right here. I have 146 videos that I've posted thus far, and I only have 267 subscribers, right? And which I'm extremely grateful for, by the way. For each and every one of you that is subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it more than you know, right? But it makes sense why people might wonder whether posting every single day actually helps your channel grow faster, because there are other channels out there that have maybe only one video up, or 2 or 3 videos up, and they are cranking, they're blowing past 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 subscribers, right? So it makes you wonder, right? It makes you wonder, like how can that be, right? How can that be? And the unfortunate thing is, this is one of those questions that I think the answer is never going to be a straight one. It just depends on so many different factors, and it's just going to vary from individual to individual. There are some people starting out, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you're probably like maybe someone who's on the earlier stage of building their YouTube channel, and you're wondering what you need to be doing to, help your channel grow faster. But there are people who start out and they only post once a week, all right? They post once a week, consistently, right? Once a week, or maybe 2 times a week, right? But whatever that number is, they do it consistently for like maybe a period of 3, 4, 5 months, right? And they see amazing, tremendous growth, right? And then you have on the flip side, people like myself who are posting a whole lot more, but just not necessarily getting the same kind of traction. So there are so many different variables that go in, from the niche that you decide to, go into, right? Whether the stuff you're talking about is stuff that is interesting to people, is stuff that people want to, want to hear about, right? So there are just so many different factors. But all I can tell you from my tiny experience thus far with this small channel that I started, I created it on I believe the 1st of January 2023, but I didn't start posting on it until the 16th of July of 2024, okay? So we're looking at basically 6 months, roughly, 6 months of posting, or a little over that. And when I first started, I was going after the once a week, right? I think like for the first month I did, which in hindsight that was just not good. I did my posting schedule was around the around the once per week type of frequency. And that was just based off of what I was seeing recommended by a lot of people who were way more advanced, right? And it made sense, right? The reason why is because, they're saying that if you're just getting started and you're new, you don't want to overwhelm yourself, right? You want to start, because the most important thing is being consistent, right? Being consistent. So no matter what that number of videos is for you that you decide to start posting on a weekly basis, whether it's 1 or if it's 20, just make sure that you're consistent about it, right? So the person who's posting once a week without fail every single week is just as consistent as the person that is posting 20 times, which I don't think anybody, but anyway, I'm just for example, crazy sake, right? Is just as consistent as the person that is posting 20 times a week, but as long as they're doing it consistently 20 times, okay? So what you don't want is to have a scenario where you go in spurts, right? Where you post, like maybe you go over spurts where you're posting maybe 3 times a week for the first 2 weeks, and then you disappear for like 4 weeks, and then you come back and you post just one video once a week, and then you disappear for another 6 weeks, and you know that yo-yo, that up and down, right? These platforms, like, people they can depend on, right? People who will show up, right? Consistent. So more than anything, right? Long-term consistency, right? Whether, no matter what that number is, even if it's a few number of videos, long-term consistency is always going to do better than short-term intensity, okay? So you're better off being that person that posts consistently for 1 to 2 or 3 times per week over an extended period of time, versus that person that comes in guns blazing and posts like maybe every single day for like a week, and then they disappear for 2 weeks, and then they come back and then they post 20 videos in a week, and then they disappear for like those little bursts of intensity and then disappearing. I don't think YouTube likes that, okay? So whatever it is, just make sure it's consistent. Now, as far as my case goes, right, when I first started, I was just doing that once a week based on, various recommendations. And for me, that process was that the growth, it was just too slow, right? It was just too slow. So I decided to start ramping things up and posting a little more frequently, and, still not seeing the growth, right? Again, I can understand, like, you have to remember too, right? It is just what it is. Some people are just better at YouTube than others. Some people are just more interesting than others. But if you are, no matter what your situation is, the bottom line is you just can't give up, right? Just don't give up and just continue going. You're going to get better as you go, and you will see what works for you and what doesn't. That has been the case for me, right? So, I'm one of those that has tons of videos, right? But not necessarily as many subscribers or watch hours to show for it, okay? But then again, what I have seen throughout my journey thus far is that when I do post frequently, like when I do go through those points where I'm posting like every single day, that's when I tend to see the most growth. And even when I go through those spurts where I'm where I was posting like maybe 2 times a day, for instance, or 3 times a day, and then stopping, I did see like a quick jump and grow, right? A quick jump in my growth and all that. But then again, I made that I made that sin, I messed up where it's like I was going for, I was doing a little short bursts, right? Short-term intensity, and then disappearing, right? In terms of like, my consistency, right? So what I have seen is that when I do post a lot, though, I tend to get better results. Like at one point, I was able to double my number of subscribers. I was able to attain like 100 subscribers within a span of like, say, maybe a month roughly, which previously had taken me 6 months to get those first 100 subscribers, right? But then I saw that, the more I posted, the more I could see what's working, the more I could see what wasn't. And then like, the views were piling up on each other, right? So I've just come to the conclusion that for myself, right, for me, okay, daily posting is what, you know, is what works, and is what has been helping to build my channel faster, albeit, you know, albeit the fact that I'm not growing that quickly, right? As opposed to, like, say, some of those people who come in and they post like maybe 3 videos, 4 videos, and they already have, like, you know, 1,000 subscribers, stuff like that. I got the short end of the stick when it comes to that type of stuff, right? And I'm okay with that, right? As long as you understand what your scenario is, work on what you can fix. Don't be comparing yourself to others, in a, I don't want to say in a negative way, like in a way that makes you feel down about your performance, right? If you are comparing to others, make sure it's because you're looking to learn from what others are doing, and if others are at certain points, what you could kind of try to shoot for or aim for, right? It should be from that standpoint, from a learning standpoint, not necessarily like from a competition standpoint. Okay, so to answer the question, for me, okay, in my scenario, in my case, definitely posting every single day. You know, posting to YouTube every single day, like every day, has helped my channel to grow faster, albeit that it's not that big right now, okay? And as a matter of fact, I've started to post more than once a day now, okay? And more than once a day, you know, so I've been consistently posting at least, consistently posting at least once a day since since December 1st of 2024. And then since January 10th, I've been consistently posting at least twice a day, okay? And then yesterday I posted 3 times. Today I might post 3 times, I don't know. But at least I know that since January 10th, I've been consistently posting twice a day. And it has helped me see more of what's working and gain views and gain a little more subscribers a little bit quicker than what I was getting with just with just like the once a day, which, you know, that seems like a lot. But for me, once a day was moving pretty slowly. So I've decided that I should just post as much as I possibly can for an extended period of time and see what happens and take it from there. So if you're curious to know how things are going, that's going to turn out for me, please go ahead and subscribe and see what happens, right? And hit the bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. And that way you'll see what is actually like what things could actually look like for someone who's just getting who's just getting going, right? And not necessarily growing as quickly. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. And if you are interested in learning how to make money online selling digital products, check out the first link in the description below this video and get yourself going. All right, thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao.